In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a smooth animation when you hover a button in Webflow. Whether you're a beginner just getting started with Webflow or a more seasoned user looking to refine your interactive elements, you'll find this guide helpful in adding that extra bit of polish to your web designs. First thing, let's go ahead and select the button you want to animate. The key here is to make sure you're on the right element so that your animations are applied precisely where you intend. Once you've got your button selected, the next step is to open the Style panel. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this section if you haven't already, because it's a treasure trove of settings that will help bring your designs to life. Now that we're in the Style panel, scroll down until you find the Transitions section. Here, you'll need to click on the plus Add Transition button. This is where the magic happens. You'll be prompted to choose which property you'd like to animate. At this point, you have several options. You might want to animate the background color for a subtle shift, change the text color for a more dramatic effect, or even alter the transform property for a gentle movement of the button. Opacity is another great choice for creating a fading effect. Once you've decided on the property you wish to animate, set the transition's duration. Typically, a duration between 200 and 300 milliseconds works best. It's long enough to be noticeable, but short enough to feel snappy. Additionally, choose a timing function like ease or ease in out to ensure a smooth start and end to your animation. These functions control the speed of the animation and help to create a fluid transition. Next, we're going to switch over to the hover state. To do this, locate the states dropdown and select hover. This is where you'll define how the button behaves when someone hovers over it. What we're going to do now is change the style of the button for this hover state. Let's say we'd like the button to have a darker background color when hovered over. This visual cue can make your button stand out and encourages user interaction. Additionally, you can add a slight scaling effect. Consider setting the scale to around 1.05. This means that when someone hovers over the button, it will gently grow by 5%, drawing more attention to it. Another gentle touch is to shift the button upward slightly, moving it up by 2 to 4 pixels using the transform settings. This subtle lift makes the button feel more dynamic and engaging. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can create a smooth, eye-catching hover animation for buttons in Webflow. With a little practice, you can apply these principles to other elements in your design, bringing an elegant and interactive feel to your projects. Enjoy experimenting and happy designing.